Bonjour everyone! So welcome to my vlog. From last week, hindi namin nagamit yung tickets ng Pompidou, pero nagamit rin namin the week after kahit it's another date. Okay lang siya kasi kasalanan naman nila dahil nagsa-strike sila because in 5 years end of 2024, 5 years na close ang Pompidou. So guys, please visit. Ayun nga pala yung Eiffel Tower as seen from inside ng Pompidou. And then we came here today for the Picasso exhibit. Grabe guys, I really like for me I like Picasso style ha. And in this exhibit they show different styles ni Picasso na I think if you have young kids you can show them some pictures about this. And then aliw lang siya. So, katulad nito, pasted paper, papier-collé. So, yung mga drawings ni Picasso, hinahaluan niya ng mga pieces of paper, like newspaper, other drawings, ganyan. Parang mini collage, yun. So, search niyo siya online. And then, if you want, you can also see some of them in my Instagram, Miss Maris in Paris. And nasa bio ko and I will write in the description of this video for reference kasi minsan yun para makita nyo lang yung actual pictures ganyan. And I love this exhibit kasi aliw siya. And then ayan, continuous line, so ibig sabihin walang break yung line, dire-diretso hanggang makadrawing siya, so you know, without lifting the pen. Yun, kaya aliw. I like Picasso. I don't know, some people I know they prefer something na more realistic ganun. Favorite ko si Picasso and si Matisse. By the way guys, itong Centre Pompidou, aside from exposition yung sa taas, may iba-iba siyang rooms na featuring different artists aside from Picasso. And yun, so it would be also interesting. So yung permanent collection na yun yung free every first Sunday of the month. Kailangan nyo magpa-reserve online in advance. And also remember 2024 magsasara na siya for 5 years. So yun, try to visit as early as you can. Ayan, so more on Picasso's drawing. And I think the next one is another painter. I forgot sinong painter to. Oh my god. And yan, so mahilig sila sa view from the window or something. And then andito na ako sa favorite kong area, yung Matisse section, kasi favorite ko si Matisse. And then sa labas guys, I think this is made by Nicky Fall, yung mga sculptures. So interesting and ang ganda mag-picture dito. After this, we went to an American restaurant called Joe Allen sa malapit sa Lezal. Masarap siya guys, yung chili con carne, I recommend. Au revoir!